So you've heard of Thai style. This is Laos style, but they probably do this in Thailand as well, I dare say. So this chap here, he's filling up a bucket. The other guy over there having a smoke, he's got like a little pump, not a pump, a motor and a switch. So what he does is he pushes a button and this will go up to the top there. So there's some spaghetti wire, so we'll watch that. And I'll show you the button before I trip over a brick. But we'll call this Laos style. But very good. Like, this is an old building that is being repurposed. I dare say that this will be a hotel. So like the chap there, he's using this device here. So very good. It is good to see very different methods. I dare say we did this in Australia sometime, but I was never involved in construction. But it is good to look at this type of different technique here in Asia. So that's coming back down as we showed before. And this chap here, he'll put in the rock and sand and keep doing that. So that's actually a pretty good job that these guys have got. He's probably got the better job. And this bloke's doing the work, but he's not like working like a dog, so he's quite smart about it. Takes the time to go up, and that bloke up there, he's got a good job too. He's giving me the thumbs up. So this is actually pretty cool. Like, I have seen this before, but I thought I'd do a little click on it and just show you a different technique. And this is working smart, guys. Working smart. As I said, he's got the best job. He's got a very good job. And I don't know what he's doing up there. I was going to ask if I could get entry, because this does look like an old building that they are repurposing, and that is good that they are repurposing and not pulling down buildings to make more buildings. So very smart practices all around, and may not be the safest of things, but from what I've seen, it does look good and it is working, and he's quite safe because he is sitting back. And what we'll do is we'll wrap that up. If you've enjoyed this, just hit the likes and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.